Hello, good morning, good afternoon, my friends all over the world. Today, I will continue to show you the tiger's movement for the Shaolin 5 Fists Qigong. So, firstly, let's review the several movements that I showed you last week. So, I will put 2 fists here and bend my elbow, and I will use my right heel and left tiptoe to turn to my right side. And then I will lift my left foot. I will stretch forward slowly. The heel touch the ground, then I will make transition, move to forward. Then I will lift my right foot, same way as I did for my left foot. Go ahead. Again, left foot. Stand straightly. Then I will change my 2 fists into 2 palms. Stretch to the 2 sides of my body and then meet together in front of my chest. Then I raise my 2 hands upward. I keep several seconds. I move downward, put back, then I'll move backward. So this is the movements that I displayed you last week. And this week, I will show you some new movement. Now, I will step my right foot to right side. So I will lift my right heel, 1, and the right tiptoe, 2, and then again, right heel lift, 3, 4, 5. Then I will bend my 2 legs to make a horse stance, horse riding stance. And then I will change 2 fists into the palm. I will push my fingers forward like this. And then I will move 2 hands to different directions. The left hand to left, right hand to right. The palm upward. I will look straightly forward. Then I will turn my neck, turn my head, look to the right side, this way. I will use some force from my from here and here, and then I will move the right hand upward like this and downward, and I will move my left hand downward and here. I will look to my right side. Then I will raise my right hand above this way and left hand downward this way. And then I turn to my left side. I move downward my right hand this way. I move my right hand upward, left hand upward to right, downward. I look to my left side. And then I move downward both my hands. Then turn around the two hands towards the ground and downward. Bend the fingers into the palms and this way and push forward. So I introduced you too many movements, so please practice at home, in your office, in parks or on the street. Okay, now I repeat the whole movements again. One, two, three, four. 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 One, two, three, and four. Okay, it's quite easy. I repeat again. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. Okay, thank you so much, and see you tomorrow. I will make some revision for the straight line part of Shaolin 13 pals to prepare for the dual practice for fighting two peoples. So the movements of Shaolin 13 pals for two people fight is consisted with all movements of straight lines. So tomorrow I will make revision the introduction part. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.